guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna be bringing you this graduation makeup tutorial. So I am going to be graduating this Sunday. I'm super excited about it. Finishing my undergrad and I'm earning my bachelor's degree. I wanted to film this look because I know a lot of you may be also graduating soon or this weekend. Better late than never. If you have already graduated, you can use this for anything. I also wore this look when I went and took my grad pictures on campus, and the pictures turned out so good. I love them and it's really good makeup for photos as well. So if you would like to see how to get this makeup look, please keep on watching. For all up close and personal, I'm going to first take a fluffy crease brush and I'm going to take the color Magical. Fluffy crease brush and obviously just put it in my crease. I really want this look to be just really pretty, kind of soft. I don't know, and I think graduation, I don't want to be like, I want to be like glam. Super fresh, super clean. And taking that same brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Shooting Star. Here. And it's the first one in the palette. I'm gonna take this crease brush side. This is fluffy synthetic crease brush. I'm gonna take the shade Elfish. I really want to deepen the eye, but I also don't want it to get too smoky. And I feel like with those packing blending brushes, you can tend to get really smoky real quickly. Just take your time, start with a little bit at a time, and just kind of build it. I'm just gonna use it to blend out those edges. There's no product on it. Sweet Dreams in the palette, and it's this one right here. I'm gonna take it on this flat brush, and I'm actually gonna wet it. Here's my Pixi Hydrating Mist. To really pack it on as well. Pardon my undone nails. I'm going this weekend to get it done. I just wanted to wait and get it closer to graduation. Take those crease colors again and just use it to further blend. The shade Moony right here, just with this buffy brush. This is just like a blending brush, and I'm gonna use it to highlight my brow bone. It's like a soft, like more of a satin finish, so it's not matte, but it's not too shimmery. Deep in the smoke, I'm gonna go back into that dark brown and use Elfish, and I'm just going to really place it in here. I think I've blended away. So I might come back onto the eyes later, but I'm just gonna add a wing liner and I'll be ready. So as you can see, I went ahead and did my wings, and I also went ahead and did my face makeup, so like my foundation and concealer. You guys have seen me do that plenty of times, so I figured we can just skip through that. So now I'm gonna move on and do some cream contouring. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Dual Ended Contour Stick, medium tan. So I'm using medium tan. So this dark contour side and just contour my cheeks. Then I'm going to take this Real Technique sculpting brush and I'm just going to use it to blend all that out. And I just use like little kind of like patting motions. I'm not like rubbing it into my skin, just because I really want the contour to stay and I want to keep that definition. And I never do this because I don't know if I like this side really, but I'm just gonna take that side and highlight it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye concealer, and then I'll be right back to show you the rest of the face. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, I set the rest of my face. I'm gonna show you guys something I've been doing recently that's done a little different. I set my concealer with my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder, and then I set the rest of my face with my Wet n Wild pressed powder. I'm gonna take the Essence Brighten banana powder, and I'm actually gonna place this in all my highlight points. I've been really enjoying doing this just because it really brightens up. Mine's like super broken because literally as soon as I got it, it broke, and it looks really good in pictures. And you'll kind of be able to tell more once our bronzer and stuff is on and blended. But it's really good, and it really helps keep everything looking super bright. Like, look at how bright my under eye is. Okay, this side you can for sure tell. It just looks, oh, I'm in love with the way it looks. Like, my face is so bright now. I know it looks super crazy that we went overboard, but trust me, once the bronzer and everything's on, it won't look like that. Trust. So since I already laid down that cream contour and it was a little warmer, I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. If I'm ever doing an event or I'm going out, I just love this just because it gives you warmth, but it's still more on the cool tone side of things. I'm going to take that with this Morphe brush. Take the blend that out with a dual fiber brush. Luxie 207 brush, and it's just like a medium shading brush. And I'm just going to contour my nose. Just to balance it out even more. You don't have to do this at all, you can skip, but I'm just super extra. I'm going to take this Nars bronzer, one of their new ones, and it's in Seaside. Like this. It's like their Sunwash Diffusing bronzers. Yes, I think that's what it's called. And I just really love the color. It's actually really light. Like, it's not too pigmented. Just take some to blend out the contour we just did. Nothing too crazy. I take that Essence Banana Powder again. And I just like to use this to really carve out my contour. Pretty peachy pink. That's like gonna give my cheeks some life and still look really natural, so. That's what we're gonna do. And then before we do highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line. I'm going to take the two crease shades with this Morphe E18 brush, and I'm going to take these two right here, Shooting Star and Magical, and place it under my eyes. Taking this little e.l.f. definer brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Elfish again that we used to deepen the outer corners. I'm just going to place that really close to the lash line. I'm going to take the liner Mr. Bing. It's just this really pretty like reddish brown, and I'm just going to place that on my waterline. Alright guys, now we're just going to highlight the face. I'm taking two highlighters, so first I'm going to use Amrezy. Color is so pretty. I'm bring it a little far down, like right here, just so when I look forward, you can also see my highlight still. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Fire Crystal and Lightning Dust. And I'm just going to also place this on the very, very high splits of my cheekbones. And I'm just going to touch up my brows and set them with brown gel. This Maybelline Big Shot mascara to finish up the eyes. They're already curled and I already had some mascara on earlier today, but Just gonna touch it up. To set my face, I'm gonna use the Pixi Hydrating Milky. Okay, now it works. It's like being super weird. Some days, I don't know about this nozzle. I don't know if it's just mine and I got a defective one, but some days it's like really good, has a really good mist, a fine mist, but some days it just starts like camel spitting at me. Where's my makeup, girl? Of course, then let's just do lips. Then comes Ideal Eyeliner. Lip liner. Yes, Maybelline Superstay Matte Lip in Poet. It's a really pretty color. And you can do any kind of lip you want. You can do a nude lip, you can do a red lip, you can do a bright pink lip. Anything you want, this is all up to you. This is just what I wore when I took pictures and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, I'm going to take the Colourpop and iiluvsarahii glossy lip in Curvii. Alright guys, and that is it for this look. And I forgot to mention, so for my actual face makeup, I am using the Fenty Beauty Foundation. Of course, my Tarte Reinforcements. For primer, I did do a mix. I am trying out a new primer. So I first used this Boscia Perfecting White Charcoal Mattifying Treatment Primer. Got like a sample from Sephora. Tried it out. It's just supposed to keep you matte all day, and oh my gosh, I've been really liking it so far. And I just put it in my T-zone, on my cheeks, and places where I tend to get oily. But I still wanted to have like a dewy, fresh look for graduation, so I also mixed it and used this Smashbox Photofocus Radiance Primer. Also a little sample. No graduation look would be complete without our grad cap. I never know how to wear these. So I think just day of graduation day, I'm like bobby pin it to my hair. Then of course my cap and gown and stoles and stuff are over there. I look insane. Alright guys, and that is it for this graduation makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys are graduating soon or if you have already graduated. I would love to know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.